Crash Course Instrumentation, Episode 11, Digital Documentation Systems. Welcome back to Crash Course Instrumentation. In Episode 11, we're exploring how modern plants have moved beyond binders and filing cabinets to embrace digital documentation systems, and how that's changing the game for IT techs and engineers. From binders to servers. The digital shift. Not long ago, instrument drawings, loop diagrams, and calibration logs were stored in massive paper binders, sometimes spread across multiple buildings. If you needed a datasheet, you had to flip through hundreds of pages or walk to the control room. Today, most plants use Fiix network-based systems, allowing for centralized document control, faster access to critical information, fewer errors due to outdated or misplaced drawings. Historical note: one of the first industrial control systems to offer integrated digital documentation features was Honeywell's TDC-2000 in the late 1970s. It revolutionized the way process plants managed control logic and documentation by linking screens to controller configurations and basic tag data. DCS-integrated documentation. Many distributed control systems, DCS, now include document links for each tag or loop directly within the HMI or engineering workstation. For example, clicking on a tag opens its loop diagram, accessing a valve icon pulls up its maintenance log, alerts can link directly to P+ and ID diagrams or troubleshooting guides. This creates a smart system where documentation supports real-time decision-making. How does this compare to SCADA and PLC-based systems? DCS, Distributed Control System, centralized, designed for large plants with integrated control and documentation. SCADA, supervisory control and data acquisition. More flexible, often used across geographically distributed assets with limited on-site documentation access. PLC, Programmable Logic Controller. Used for discrete control, with documentation often hosted in a separate file system or linked via HMI software. While DCS is more likely to offer fully integrated doc systems, SCADA and PLC setups can also benefit from linking documentation via web-based tools or CMMS. CMMS connections. Modern computerized maintenance management systems. CMMS, like IBM Maximo, SAP Plant Maintenance, Fiix, and UpKeep. Integrate documentation directly into work orders and asset histories. With CMMS, calibration records are stored and scheduled automatically. Spare parts lists are linked to datasheets. As-built drawings are accessible from tablets or handhelds in the field. Field techs can complete tasks, upload photos, and update documentation right from their mobile devices. Cloud-based systems and mobile access. Many facilities now host documentation in the cloud, allowing secure real-time access from anywhere on-site or off. This is especially useful for multi-site organizations, contract technicians or consultants, remote troubleshooting support. Example: a valve fails during a night shift. The on-call tech pulls up the latest as-built drawing and datasheet from their phone and walks the operator through a temporary bypass without needing to drive in. Pros and cons of digital systems. Pros: faster access and searchability, fewer physical storage limitations, easier updates and version control, enhanced collaboration across departments. Cons: requires training and digital literacy, system downtime or cybersecurity risks, still dependent on accurate entry and updates. Just because it's digital doesn't mean it's right. Verify in the field. This episode is based on Lessons in Industrial Instrumentation by Tony R. Coupolt. Explore the full open-source text at the link below. Like, subscribe, and stay tuned. Our next series explores the world of control elements.